Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. This is nice cubic equation, and if we have a t cubed minus t square is equals to 18, so we solve this problem for all the values of t. Because this is cubic equation, it means that we need to find all the three roots of this equation. So we move towards the solution of this problem, and the very first thing we are going to do is first we need to focus into the right hand side, and we have t cubed minus t square is equals to, this is 18, and we write this 18 as 27 minus 9. We know about that 27 minus 9 becomes here 18. And further, we again rewrite this equation as, this is t cubed minus t square is equals to, this is 27, we write it as 3 cubed minus this is 9, we write it as 3 square. And now in the next step, we move all the terms from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will be written as t cubed minus t square. This is 3 cubed. When we move it into the left hand side, it will becomes minus 3 cubed. And this is minus 3 square. When we move it into the left hand side, it will becomes plus 3 square. And this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we make the pair of cubic term with cubic term, so that we have the cubic terms are t cubed minus 3 cubed, and we have the square terms are this and this one. So here we need to take common negative sign, and when we take common negative sign, we get the remaining values are t square minus 3 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now further in the next step, we need more simplifications, and this will be written as, we have here we need two nice formulas. The first formula is a cubed minus b cubed is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. We apply this cubic formula on this factor, and secondly we apply here this nice formula, a square minus b square is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So here we need these two formulas. So according to these two formulas, we write our above equation as in this form. So this is t cubed minus 3 cubed, and when we apply this formula, it will be written as in this form. This is a minus b. The value of a is t and b is 3. This is t minus 3 into this is a square. So here our a is t square plus t into 3 plus 3 square, and minus, here we apply the second formula on the second factor, and our second factor is written as, here we have a minus b, it will becomes t minus 3 times of t plus 3, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you see that on both of these two terms, we have t minus 3 be the common factor. So when we take common t minus 3, we get the remaining values are, from here we get t square plus 3t plus 3 square becomes 9. And when we take common t minus 3 from here, and here we get the remaining values are, we multiply this negative sign on each of these values, and it will becomes minus t minus 3, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write t minus 3 is equals to 0, and the second case is we write this term is equals to 0, and we have t squared. This is 3t minus t becomes 2t, and 9 minus 3 becomes 6, and this whole equation is equals to 0. From here we easily get the value of t is equals to 3. This is the first root of the given equation. And now here, in order to find the other roots, we need to solve this quadratic equation. So in order to solving this equation, we use the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation. And for this, we need to write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to 2, and c is equals to 6. And we state the quadratic formula as t equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So here we substitute all the values of a, b, and c in this formula, and we need a little bit more simplifications. So after substituting these values, it will be written as t equals to minus b. The value of b is minus 2 plus minus square root of b square. B is 2 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 6, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. So here we need more simplifications, and it will becomes minus 2 plus minus square root of this is 2 square becomes 4 minus 4 times of 6 divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. And now in the next step, we need to take common 4 inside the square root sign, and when we take common 4 we get the remaining values are 1 minus 6 square root, and it is divided by 2. So in the next step here we need more simplifications, and we will obtain t is equals to minus 2 plus minus. Here we apply square root separately on both of these two values, and it will become square root of 4 into square root of 1 minus 6 becomes minus 5, and it is divided by 2. So we need more simplifications to get the other two roots of the given equation, and we have minus 2 plus minus. We know that square root of 4 becomes 2, and also we know about that when negative sign appears inside the square root sign it will becomes iota, and we will get here square root of 5 times of iota. And further we break this fraction and we write these two separately on both of these two values, and after that we have this 2 and 2 are gone, and we get minus 1 plus minus. This 2 and this 2 are also gone, and we get a square root of 5 into iota. So these are the other two complex roots of the given equation, and finally we have there are three roots of the given equation, and these three roots are in which these two roots are complex roots, and t is equals to 3 be the one real root of the given equation. So this is our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.